Whether you are traveling on a bike, a motorcycle, or in a car, bus or truck, we all play part in using the road safety. Bicycle riders need plenty of space because they are more vulnerable than drivers and more likely to be injured, or even killed in the event of a crash. To help us all go together safely, new road rules have been introduced on 1 March 2016. Drivers now need to give bicycle riders at least a meter of space when passing. When the speed limit is 60 km/h and under, you must give bicycle riders at least 1 meter of space when you pass them. If the speed limit is over 60 km/h, you must give bicycle riders at least 1.5 meters when passing. Sometimes you won't be able to provide this distance, as well as on your side of the road or in your lane. But, when it's safe to do so, you may cross center lines, straddle line lanes, and drive on painted islands. Make sure you have a clear view of the road, there is no oncoming traffic and you are not going to cause a collision with vehicles around you. Look out for changing road conditions, such as narrower lanes or parked cars, to help ensure that passing is safe. When passing a rider, stay within the speed limit and indicate your intentions. Once you are safely past the rider, indicate and merge back in front of them. Penalties apply for drivers who do not follow these new rules.